Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we're going to do an unboxing of the Lookfantastic advent calendar. I did a poll over on Instagram. I asked, should I do an unboxing of the advent calendar, or should I wait till the 1st of December and open it then? And you all said that you wanted an unboxing of it. So here it is. Fortunately, this advent calendar is sold out. Without further ado, let's get started. But before we do, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in and subscribing to my channel. I am super grateful. And yeah, go and get that cuppa and let's get into the video. Right, so first off, can I just say, my hair feels really bushy today. I literally just washed it the other night and just put it up in a ponytail, and then, no, not in a ponytail, in a bun. And yeah, it's come out this. This is actually my natural curls, so yeah, it's big and bushy and frizzy. But anyway, let's get into what you guys have come here to watch, and that is the unboxing of the Lookfantastic calendar. So here it is. Oh god, it is really heavy. This is what the Lookfantastic advent calendar looks like. You open it up and then you've got some gorgeous drawers in there. Okay, so oh my god, what is going on? I'm gonna literally, everything's gonna just go collapse in a second. Okay, so right, let's start off with box number one. Okay, no, not box, drawer number one. So we've got this massive drawer. Oh my god, it's gonna fall. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this one-handed. So we've got this massive drawer down here. Oh, massive drawer, and this tiny little thing was inside it. So what is in box number one? Oh wow, we're already off to a good start. So this is the Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo, Blush and Highlighting Duo. Oh my god, that is absolutely amazing. Okay, and then we've got drawer number two. We have a Luxie Beauty brush, and this is a tapered highlighter brush, so that's perfect to go with the highlighter that we got first. So that's what that looks like. Drawer number three, what do we have in here? I'm actually really liking this. So we've got a molten brown bath and shower gel in rhubarb and rose. Oh my god, so I just purchased the Revolution candles, the home collection, and the candle that I got has got rhubarb in it and it smells delicious. Okay, so that's number three. Box number four, what do we have in here? Now I'm doing this one-handed because if I let go of the box, the calendar, it's going to go everywhere. It's going to just collapse. Oh, hello. So we have a Dragon's Blood cleansing water. This advent calendar is amazing. No wonder it's sold out. So box number five is, I keep saying box, but it's the drawer, isn't it? Got a sleek mattifying primer. Ooh, that's a nice full size as well. Number five. Number six, what do we have in number six? We've got a Philip Kingsley deep conditioning treatment, elasticizer therapy in Mayan, vanilla and orange blossom. Oh my god, that smells amazing. That smells good. Number seven, we have a Ren Skincare Ready Steady Glow, a daily AHA tonic. So that's what that looks like. Box number eight is here. What do we have in here? I love it, absolutely love it. We have an Eve Lom cleanser. Oh wow. I'm going to give that a try. So this is a cleansing cream. Definitely going to give that a try. Drawer number nine. In drawer number nine, we have a eyeliner from Diego Della Palma. I think that's what the brand is. 10. Got a big pot. In number... Oh, amazing. We have a Rituals product, which I absolutely love. And this is the Celebrate Each Day Body Scrub in Organic Rice and Cherry Blossom. So I've actually opened up the Rituals advent calendar, so you can go and check them out. I'll leave them in the description down below, and you can go and check out. I've unboxed both Rituals advent calendars and they are gorgeous. Okay, number 11. Number 11, we have a Tan Luxe Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum. Ooh, that sounds interesting, doesn't it? Number 12. Only way I'm going to get a tan this year, isn't it? 12, we have an Illamasqua lip polish, and it's in the shade, it's in the shade Vogue. So cute. That's really nice to put in your handbag, and it looks like a nice nudie colour as well, so like a movie nude, which is really good. That was number 12. Number 13. Number 13 is down here. What do we have in 13? We have a sleeping mask from Glow. Penny sees this, she's going to like, can I have it? My daughter's obsessed with sleeping masks. I actually tried to sleep with one a couple of weeks ago, and I put it on and I was like, about 2 minutes later I pulled it off. It was irritating me. The fact that I had something on my face was doing my head in, so it didn't make me relax in any way. So she can have them. She is obsessed. She's been wearing eye masks since she was, what, 2 years old. She's crazy. Number 14 is this one here. Got another pot of something. Oh, it's the Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. I actually have been recommended to try out their balm, the cleansing balm, so I'm going to give that a try, and I'll give this a try with that as well. So that's number 14. Number 15 is the little drawer down here. An E-Cooking Vitamin C Serum. So that's what that looks like. Number 16, we have, it's a big box. So hopefully it's something good. We have a This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep survivor for better nights and brighter mornings. Oh, this looks interesting. So that's what that looks like. Definitely gonna give that a try as well. Number 17 we have, it's wrapped up in bubble wrap as well as the tissue paper. Honestly, I'm scared to let go of the box just in case it all collapses. Oh God, I think everything's just gonna collapse. No. So we've got an Vixa. So how you say it? I always struggle to say this brand. So this is a silver skin savior. Is it like a cream? Doesn't say what it is, but it's in a glass little pot, which is packaging. So that can go back. Number 18, we have a Sina 532, the cream eyeshadow. Is it Sina? Well, it's the Greek. It's supposed to be a 3, but that's actually the Greek letter M, which is Sigma, which is what that reminds me of. So I think it says 3 now, but it's I thought it was Sina. I don't know. But anyway, that looks really good as well. Number 19. Number 19 is, where's number 19? Oh, it's up here. Duh. In number 19, oh wow, we have an Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara, and I think this is probably like the first or maybe second product I actually have of Anastasia Beverly Hills. I need to invest in more of her. I think that's next. Let's get into the house first. 20 is, oh my God, I seriously need to go and get my eyes checked. Okay, number 20 is a Mio, a Clay Away Body Cleanser 2-in-1 Wash and Mask. So that's what's in there, Mio. Okay. Mio, Mio. It's been a long day. 21. 21 is where are you? 21. You're up there. So this is what's in 21. It is from Figura Time Filler. It's a wrinkle correction cream. 22 is down here. And I think we've had these kind of products in their previous subscription boxes. A Quarterly Purifying Gel Cleanser. That's what number 22 is. 23. What's 23? I swear to God, there's numbers to move. There you are up there. The light's shining so I couldn't see it. Ah, yes. Hello, Avant. How are you? So this is the Rose Quartz Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Avocado Oil. This stuff is amazing, and it's actually worth £100. This is, so to be in this box is absolutely amazing. This is amazing stuff. I love it. Absolutely love it. I love this brand. It is on the pricey side, but it's so worth it. Your skin will love you for it. That's box number 23. Number 24, we have a Lord & Berry Magic Pencil Definer. So is that for your brows? Perfect brows. So that's what is in number 24. And number 25 is this little box here. What do we have in box number 25? Ta-da. We have the ESBA 24-hour balancing moisturizer. So that's what we have in there. I would have liked to actually have had the day cream to this, the more, you know, the cleansing balm. That would have been perfect because that's what I've had my eye on. But anyway, thank you very much for this. That is what's in day 25. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Lookfantastic. Because I've got it balanced on a load of stuff. It is really, really heavy, and a few products are actually there. So that is what is inside the Lookfantastic box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all tomorrow on another day, another video of Beauty and the Kids. Oh, and did I mention that Vlogmas is coming very, very soon, and I hope you guys are getting ready to, you know, enjoy it. It's going to be a crazy couple of weeks now, you know, getting the house packed up and hopefully moving a week Saturday. Oh my God, I can't wait. You don't understand, and you guys know the frustration that we've been going through with all this COVID and stuff like that, but we're finally here. You know, we've been patient and we're finally at the last hurdle, so that's all happening pretty soon. And yeah, I can't wait to show you around the new place. You guys are going to love it. I just can't can't wait to make it into our new home and our forever home. And the beauty of it is we get to decorate Christmas straight away, because that's what's happening. I'm off to the range to buy my Christmas tree at the weekend, because I've decided I'm going to go for a fake tree this year. I usually go for a real, but this year I'm just going to get my fake one, because I had my mom's fake one last year. We borrowed it, and because she had the real one, and it had snow all over it, and it was just so relaxing and just amazing that I've decided I want to do a fake one this year, even though I love my real one. So anyway, that's it from me, and yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow on another video. Bye.